Welcome back to the other videos guys. Today we will talk about okra benefits and their recipe. Okra, the healing secret, seems to refer to the potential health benefits of consuming okra, a vegetable also known as lady's finger or bindi. Okra is a nutritious vegetable that is rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. It is low in calories and fat while providing a good amount of vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Okra also contains antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds like flavonoids and polyphenols. Some potential health benefits of consuming okra include 1. Digestive health. The fiber content in okra can promote regular bowel movements, prevent constipation, and improve overall digestive health. 2. Heart health. Okra may help reduce cholesterol levels due to its high fiber content. A diet rich in fiber is associated with a decreased risk of heart disease. 3. Blood sugar control. Okra may have a positive effect on blood sugar levels. Its fiber and other compounds can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. 4. Nutrient absorption. Okra contains mucilage, a type of fiber that helps slow down digestion. This can improve nutrient absorption in the body. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants and other bioactive compounds in okra have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce inflammation in the body. It's important to note that while okra may offer potential health benefits, individual results can vary, and it should be consumed as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Consulting a healthcare professional or nutritionist is always advised for personalized advice. Here's a simple and delicious recipe for okra stir-fry. Ingredients: 1 pound okra, washed and trimmed. 1 onion, thinly sliced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust according to your spice preference. Salt to taste. 2 tablespoons oil, vegetable or olive oil. Fresh cilantro leaves for garnish, optional. Instructions: 1. Slice the okra into thin rounds or cut them lengthwise, as per your preference. 2. Heat oil in a large skillet or frying pan over medium heat. 3. Add sliced onions and minced garlic to the pan and sauté until the onions turn translucent. 4. Add the okra to the pan and stir-fry for about 5 minutes, until it starts turning tender. 5. Sprinkle cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt over the okra. Mix well to coat evenly. 6. Continue cooking for another 5-7 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the okra is cooked through and slightly crispy on the outside. 7. Once done, remove from heat and garnish with fresh cilantro leaves, optional. 8. Serve hot as a side dish with rice or roti, Indian bread. This recipe is just one way to enjoy okra, and there are many other delicious recipes out there. You can also try okra in soups, stews, curries, or roasted as a healthy snack. Enjoy exploring the versatility of this nutritious vegetable.